Hi guys, and welcome to the last talking head video of 2025 here at the Jacked Programmer YouTube channel. I first off want to thank every single one of you that has watched a video, subscribed, liked, comment. If you've just popped in even for just one video and learned something new, even if you didn't learn something new and you just watched a video, I want to thank every single one of you. This year's been great. We actually just reached over 18,500 subscribers, which is just amazing. I know I say that in every Talking Head video, but sincerely, I appreciate every single one of you. This is not something that I ever expected to reach that number. I didn't even think it was going to reach over 100, let alone 1,000, let alone 18,000. So it's just blown past what I've ever expected to come out of this. Now, 2026 is going to be another big year for the Jacked Programmer YouTube channel with a lot more content coming up. Now, as you know, for the last couple months, there's been a lot of cybersecurity videos building up that blue teaming lab. There's still going to be a lot more cybersecurity videos because I like to concentrate on that blue teaming lab. That is what I really do now. And we want to kind of build that up before we look at the red teaming. And also, I find red teaming is very easy to find stuff online right now, as it is a very fun topic, especially when you compare it to blue teaming. Blue teaming is still fun. I really enjoy it. But there's something about hacking and hacking ethically that people really enjoy, and there are a lot of videos on it, I find. So I like to kind of focus more on the blue teaming side and the working in a SOC side. So we've been exploring Wuzza recently, and actually next week we're going to be taking a look at Wuzza some more and integrating it with VirusTotal to do some of that malware detection. So that's just a little preview of what's coming up. There's obviously going to be a lot more with Wuzza because it is a massive platform. We're also going to be taking a look at that patch management that I've been mentioning with the Wuzza vulnerabilities video solutions like Action 1. So be sure to stay tuned for that. There's also going to be a lot more cybersecurity videos in general, but those are some of the topics that are coming up really, really soon. Now, of course, this channel has been really built on programming, hence the name Jacked Programmer. That's my background, really. So, of course, there's going to be tons of PowerShell content. I think that goes without saying. That is the bread and butter of this channel. We're going to be integrating PowerShell with our cybersecurity videos. But also, I know a lot of you have messaged me, have left comments that you guys want to see Microsoft 365 management videos with Graph, with PowerShell. And my whole thing was I never had access to a test tenant. But as I mentioned in our last Talking Head video, I actually have access to a test tenant now, so we can actually advance with those Microsoft 365 Azure videos. We can take a look at how to use that Graph API. The Graph API is something that I probably use almost every single day. It is a very, very handy skill set to have as a system administrator, as a Azure administrator, as a Microsoft 365 administrator. And I can even show you guys how to just administrate Microsoft 365 and Azure as well, manually or through PowerShell code as well. I think PowerShell is a great tool to have. Even there are some settings in Microsoft 365 and Exchange Online that you cannot set using a GUI or graphical user interface. You actually have to use the PowerShell command. So if you're not comfortable with those, we're going to be taking a look at those, and you will get comfortable with them. We will be able to practice that, and I will guarantee you guys that you guys will feel a lot more comfortable managing your Microsoft 365 and Azure environments with PowerShell. Now, we can also take a look at Microsoft Sentinel and automation playbooks if that's something that you guys and girls would want as a community, as that is something that I've been working on in production. It kind of ties in with the Microsoft 365 Azure, ties in with cybersecurity as well, and ties in with the automation. It's not through PowerShell, it's through a Logic app, but it's still automating. You can automate all those incidents, all those alerts that you know how to go through them. You've done them now for months, for years, maybe by hand. and you want to automate them. We can actually go ahead, create those playbooks, create those automation rules to close those incidents for you. This way, it frees you up from having to do reactive security work into doing more proactive security work. And I think that is really the main goal, especially with all these threats coming in. AI is a big thing, as we've seen it in 2025. Almost everything has agentic AI in it now. Your attackers and your threat actors are using AI to attack you in a whole different aspect. So if you don't have those automations and you don't have those things put in place, you quickly fall behind. So we're going to be taking a look at that if that's something you guys would want to see. And again, if there's anything that you guys would like to see that I have not mentioned in this video yet, maybe there's some Python that you guys want me to look at, some C# that you guys want me to look at. Maybe there's something specific for the Blue Team Lab that you guys want me to look at, or something else altogether. Let me know in that comment section down below, and I will be glad to look those up and learn those. You guys have made me grow so much in the last couple years because you guys have asked for content that maybe I don't really know, and I've had to go out, learn it for you guys, and then make a video on it. I think we can all grow as a community if you guys actually ask what you guys want to see. I think everyone benefits from that. If it's something that you're trying to learn for work, or maybe there's a position that you saw that has a specific skill set that you don't quite learn, you haven't learned yet, and it's hard to find content on it, let me know and I will see what I can do. But once again, for every single one of you that have watched this video, watched any other video, I just want to thank you all for supporting the channel and having a wonderful year in 2025. Now, I hope that you guys all had a wonderful year as well. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season, as we are pretty much just on the cusp of the holiday season here, with New Year's just later on this week. And I want to wish you guys a happy holidays and a happy new year. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified when those other videos are coming out. And stay jacked. Do those repetitions on that cybersecurity videos, those programming videos. You guys will be better at PowerShell. You guys will be better at automation. You guys will be better at cybersecurity by putting in that practice. Thank you guys again. I will see you guys on the next video.